I do that time. I remember when Jaden did come out and say, when him a run joke and talk about the little girl at 12 and everybody want to kill him. You know, so everybody love back Jaden now. You know, so everybody love back Jaden now. You have to just give everybody them time. Everybody have them time. You have one youth where, when name, Epsi, the youth name, Epsi, we do over back everybody voice with the filter. I like him. Him have a vibes. You have the next youth name, Envy Royal, from the country. I like him. I have some little people who I follow and I like them. They have a vibes. Because I remember say, I like laugh. I like when they do things and I can laugh. Them not bring down nobody. Them just bring, I show you one part of Jamaica and just like, you know, the voice over thing them. I like it. See? So, big up the whole of youth them where I bring a smile on the people in face. Then I hear me attack, man. Happy man, the youth, the man wear the filter, man. Remember, let me tell you, I follow up the youth, man. I tell you, I follow up the youth, man. I tell you, these are things what people like, where. You see me? Remember, you know, I'm in a business when nobody want to do with them life, you know. I mean, I judge nobody, you know. See, when nobody want to do, as long as them make it jokify and no, man. When you talk about Jerry cut from a different cloth. You have to big up Jerry on one different road. Jerry thing is a different thing. I am famous. Lord, have mercy. I would call DJ Banker. You don't know. You have to big up all of them youth where they in the music and do them thing, you know. Remember, say famous, them are going them young, you know. Remember, you keep party Sunday night, you know. Big thank you. I see you come out and I give them, you know. And I talk about you keep free party this week, you know. Remember, you know, well, I want to reach out to have money, you know, if you pay me royalty, you know. I'm told me I start work and collect from money, you know. I'm told the selector, no, I'm not doing, you know. Remember, you know, I see everything, you know, on the internet, you know, I'm told, you know. Royalty, me have to come collect from money, you know. Yeah. So you know, say now, I saw it go more time. Everybody get them run. Everybody get them run. May I tell you, so them get them run. You're the one Rochelle about me rich now, about you me sign to. I'm not rich, you know. Still I look it, you know. I'm told now. I look it for cook it. Let me see who again did go viral. Because enough people go viral, I want to hear back about them, you know. If you get a viral moment and you make a money, you can get to, like Kizidan. See, Kizidan, I like her. Kizidan have a little style about her, but she not do it again, she stop. Because they want the part to make me like her, and she say, hello TikTok. Hello TikTok. Anytime she come out and say, hello TikTok. But see it, she did a go to her thing, she said, she did a man will beat her and nearly kill her, so. I have to just understand the people, man. I have to just understand the people, because Kizidan go so man come off of the internet and go do her body, and from she do her body, I kill her man one kill her. She have a dig off. Remember, Amari get a good run, you know. Amari get a good run. Let me tell you how Amari would have transition now and continue in our face. And we're alright with it. Because yes, she did it, I will see her, but on a fair moment, no care what she do, she cuss Shensia, she cuss Spice, she cuss everybody. Why do you see Amari coming from my page I talk about? Yeah, Spice there. We already said that nobody no busy Amari again. Remember, you know, Amari are 60, you know. Remember, Amari are 60, you know, you know. We get a little fun and we're alright with that. We get about 2 years out of COVID out of Amari. Somebody else we are dealing with you now. Zine, when you talk about Queenie, we have Queenie, I deal with Queenie same way, because Queenie come on every week and we alright with Queenie. Queenie, we used to Queenie, I don't know Queenie a ball and I go out with her or something. And when you trouble Queenie, and Queenie I get the attention when she want Queenie, I can run out. But again, I know Queenie moment now. You understand? I know Queenie moment now. We have always say Queenie, we never stop say Queenie. Remember, say the internet is for Queenie. You understand? The internet is for Queenie. So we never tired of Queenie. We just know say Queenie that. I have some people who just always say, yeah man. I see that. We're going to always say Queenie. I say, yeah man, I Queenie that. Big up yourself, Queenie. We always know say I Queenie that. You understand? Queenie Yvette. But when it comes on to Amari now, the transition where she could have transitioned is if she make Destiny. But she make Destiny a video and I say, Amari, what do you think, remember, you know? Mash up Destiny, you know, because Destiny should have transitioned, because remember Destiny young, you know. Remember 15 Pitney Amari having, and all of them run left far, you know. What you say about Derek? I'm going to follow up Derek still, you know. I'm going to follow up Derek. I just tell you the things, them and the people when me see where when I follow up. You understand? I don't follow up Derek. You see me? I don't follow up Derek. If I follow him up, I tell us I follow him up. I don't follow him up. I follow up Saloni. I follow up Saloni. Saloni is a woman where when I done says Saloni, if she not take her medication, we take her go already. Saloni remind me of my mother. See, I like Saloni. Saloni will talk something that should make you laugh and rare. You see me? So, I will follow up Saloni. So, who again? Enough people, as I'm telling you right now, for me, when I laugh and go on, we have some people when I like what like called Isabella and Jerry. Isabella and Jerry, because remember, say Jerry is a very bright man. He might talk and you take it for joke, but Jerry is not a dunce. Jerry is one of them man the way. If you notice, I be suit Jerry like we run some bad boat and him talk about Italy and them something there. Somebody asked me want to Ragarugi. Alright. Ragarugi. Ragarugi, people don't have to see Ragarugi and just love him. He just love entertainment. Ragarugi is a good youth. All the way I do, I just them think they keep Ragarugi alive. Ragarugi is a years Ragarugi stays up. I know Ragarugi from me I got Melrose. You understand? I just saw him stay. Ragarugi just is a kid in a big man body. You see me? So nobody take him serious. Like he just do it for the laugh. If I want him enough to laugh. You see me? He's a hustler. He's a man who not sit down and beg nobody. He's a man where that's the way you see him, hustle out there. Man who not beg nobody nothing. You see me? So when people say, oh that big man, him big and stay bad, where this and that and that and that. Him just do it for the laughter. You see me? So my boy I say him is a clown. You can call him a clown. Nothing wrong, but he's a man who just like them look something there. Alright, somebody said something about Bada Cat, you know. Bada Cat did come on and it was very fun. We did love it until money get involved. Money get involved and it divide. Just like Jezebel them and 6 bars. And money divide the people them. You know, say Sharon they have homes. Sharon is at her homes right now. Sharon have dementia. Sharon don't remember nothing. You see me? Sharon they have homes. Last time I see Sharon never remember who me is. And them think they break my heart. So you don't know Sharon family them put her in her homes. So she alright. You see me? Bada Cat used to do him thing and everybody like how Bada Cat talk and go on and thing, but money get into play. And when money get into play, money show you people true colors. Money mash up Bada Cat and film crew. Bam switch 6 bars. Remember say 6 bars so him make we watch Jezebel TV. See me with the whole of the man them. See, we are watch it and we are watch 6 bars and 6 bars and the girl the man are going. But if you notice, let me tell you something. You have a lot of people claim say them like you. Try segregation until the segregation go on, then them start come out. The amount of people when me see come out from black and a bun out. Jezebel them. The amount of people when me see come out and a bun them out. See? Be people me see a bun them out like people did a wait. Them see a man buy a BMW. Yo, the boy a drive BMW, where this and that. Come on, people, man. Every friendship I can get a test, you know. I'm telling you the next thing. You have your friend, and everybody like when you have your friend live good. And everybody like unity.
I don't remember wanting to do it.
Unity is a thing that make the world come together quickly. And I realize that the world not like unity. You have always have some people that go try mash it up. Them are always try mash it up. So you have to firm, especially when a dollar start make. Because yes, you make money off of views off of YouTube, but everybody are going to share the money equally. Because you're going to hear somebody going to come to you and say, yeah man, you make the show shot, and you make this, that, and that, and that, and that. You make this and you make that, and people are going to get in your head. And when them go to and get in your head, you now start war with the man who have the camera. Remember say, you know, upload nothing, you know, do nothing. It's like you now look on it and I say equal. I remember that one of the reasons why Barakat and Film family go them separate ways. So it causes a division. And when division start, and that's when time the show not nice again. Because people are going to say you are trying to do your own thing. Same thing happened with Walk and Talk and Jeffrey. It wasn't a money thing, you know. It was an ego thing. See? Because again, one legend, Jeffrey, more intelligent than Walk and Talk. Jeffrey know how to ask question. Jeffrey, him go on. But when time it come to choose between your friend and your another friend, you make Walk and Talk know say him are your associate and the next man them are your friend. So right away you fling Walk and Talk under the bus, and that is when the division started right there. Because what you should have said, as Walk and Talk friend where people sit every day upon this thing here, as your co-host, you should have said, listen, two of them are my friend, and it have to go squash amicably. It never did have to come, because remember say it never did have to come out on the internet. It never did have to come out on the internet. But you don't know, Jeffrey is a man where so him go to work when it come on to him ego, when him ego kick in. So me understand the him part. Walk and Talk, work off him emotion, and him get him emotion, get the best time and say, me match them up, you know, this and that and that. And then now right, so it never be the same again. All when you see them come on pan it, it never be the same, because again the wounds never heal. The wounds never heal. Now, Jeffrey still have him program, Walk and Talk have a program. Right? Two of them, I don't have a problem with them. I can't be the co-host for none of them. I will go up on them program. I will go up on them program because me and Jeffrey cool. Me and Walk and Talk cool. Me and them have no problem. But me not like the segregation. Because if me go to Obama and say me going to be the co-host over Jeffrey, you're going to hear some of this. And if me going to be the co-host over Walk and Talk, you're going to hear some. I don't want the inner mix there. My name Richie Feelings. You understand? Richie Feelings, name Richie Feelings. I don't want to hear some. I take side with a man there and take side with a man there. Two of them, I'm a hygiene. You understand? And sometimes people just well want to see a division for jump and say, me tell us the boy Jeffrey, I like the boy a long time. I'm tell about the boy Walk and Talk. I'm tell you this and that people like. And everybody like it. But a lot of people like. You understand? Sometimes we have to control with ego. We have to control with ego. You understand? And especially when time, because it wasn't a money thing, it was an ego thing. But people like see unity. When unity start, it work better. Unity make Bembe work. We get 2 anniversary out of Bembe. Unity make Bembe work. Razan, Biggie, Richie Feelings, Tony Mataran, Jigsy and Rolex. Bembe squad. You understand? But once division start, it now go good. People are going to say, yo, I'm not going to say, you know, because them a unity. People like, see when them see people like a movement. And when the movement have a vibes, just like when Talk Your Mind did a go on. A unity make Talk Your Mind work. Unity make talk your mind work, you know. It was so unfortunate that a bucket of chicken mash it up. It was very unfortunate. One bucket of chicken mash up talk your mind. See me? Unity is a movement. One person can say unity and 10 persons say war. People are going to take war. Then, so, a whole heap of time we see some people that say them a friend and them are not good again. Right now, I see the next thing on the internet. I see what? I see Earl Dog and Swiss Lee. Them not agree. Like, it started from last year. It started from last year. And it's like, them a try. But, I don't think them a try hard enough. Ego in the middle light. I not going to blame the individual. I not going to say a Swiss Lee fault. I not going to say a Earl Dog fault. But it was nice when the two of them and Otto, like when the three of them, we used to look forward to see the three of them and go on with them something. Yeah, man, that mostly Raquel, that go on mostly. Ego and a bucket of chicken. Zine, people did like to see Otto, World Dog, and Swiss Lee. I did like to see it. Because them come out and them go on with them something and it was fun. But you realize that from Otto and Swiss Lee and World Dog jump off, you realize everybody does a be a cuss, everybody cuss now. No more unity not upon the app again. You realize that there's no more app on the internet. There's no more unities there anymore. Relationship cause sour can't come back. Cause who depend ranking from who depend this like what are the fun where Atto used to have, me not see my have that again. Atto is a youth from down a pen where do him thing, reach a foreign and him come on and him make a, you see me? I say Kevin Durant and LeBron James, they're my best friend. And when it come on to unity, them act the right way if you make the gold medal reach back America. See? Because remember, when people say Swiss Lee and World Dog, how them a live good. People love that. People love it and say, yo, me like it. See? You ask me, I'm the Rosa expert. It's okay. When I do, man, Rosa expert still about, but the fact, but the light not depend them again. You understand? People have to just understand. Say, you see unity. People love see unity. People love see a unity, a unit. People like see, because remember, you know, TikTok was a thing that bring unity, you know. But now, because remember, if you notice, everybody who you see over TikTok, you just name them. All of them have a car. Who have a BMW, have a Benz. Who no buy a house, buy this, buy that, buy that. So, a people give them. Because remember, salvation alone lasts for long, you know. All of this soon fade out and you have to go to something different, you know. So, them are go and milk it and see what them can get, like, take what them can get until it's time to, you don't get no more. Seeing, you have the youth named Gaffer. Gaffer over there and Gaffer them are some good youth. They make me laugh. Enough time him say some things and you see me? I like Gaffer. Seeing and some other people over there where me like. But when time when you start tear down on one another now, it's like thousands of people over there watching that tear down on one another. Just like if you notice, just check one time Ivani go live. Ivani is a nice girl, you know. But it's rough. It's rough. Pretty than I do our thing, and pretty than change up a whole heap of thing, because pretty than come out and come go on with a crocus bag of thing. And them lick her with a stone and nearly kill her. But me like pretty than too. But she go in her feelings and start, she, like the passion where she have when she talk. She talk some things. I tell you. Alright. You see, pop the balloon now. Pop the balloon should be a fun thing. See? Pop the balloon should be a fun thing. You see? Pop the balloon should be a fun thing. But, you know, come like says that some people just go upon it for disrespect. And me see them put up a clip with the Canada girl. And me I tell you, the comments them not nice. Because it's like, if that is acting, it now look good in the comment fair. Because the comment section a kill her and I say them should have beat her because she have tried to fight the youth and she have tried to do all kind of things. You see me, the Pop the Balloon challenge supposed to be fun, but them say the Jamaica one are the worst, which we like it. But nobody now go up on the Pop the Balloon at Jamaica for laughter. Them go up on it for disrespect. So, who can give the biggest disrespect by Pop the Balloon? You see me, the youth where do it, I like him because the youth where a long time I try him thing. I don't remember what his name, but I like him. See, I like it. And I need to tell you something again. You see, you have to be careful how you comment and I try to tell people how to raise them pitney. I see one girl goes up and go in a cartel comment and I comment on cartel and I tell him what she think is appropriate towards him daughter and him woman. And cartel lick her and say, woman come and go, daughters are forever. And she says she not a yes person, so she can always speak her mind. She not got ever comment on somebody else post again because fear name gone viral. Or cartel lick her. And him lick her intelligently. You hear me say? Lick the man lick her with a stone intelligently. The man say, miss me with your stupid comment. So now be careful. Never you try to tell nobody how to raise them child or what to say about them child or what to do with them child. You raise your own child. Everybody have them opinion, but sometimes your opinion is not needed. I said that big stone the way she get, man. I say me feel it for her. I say murder. Whoa. Whoa. I'm ball for her. Whoa.